Alright everyone, so someone was asking me, oh my gosh, someone was asking me how much money you make as an apprentice, like salary or whatnot, and basically it's not salary, at least where I work, or the program that I went through, it's how many hours you work, but given 40 hours a week times 52 weeks, that is 2,080 hours, and if you divide that by 2, that's 1,040 hours, and this is the apprenticeship scale that the school I went to. So when you join the program, you start out at $16 an hour, and when you finish, it's over $32 an hour. So if you do all the math right here, I kind of broke it up with spaces so you can see. But if you do $16.20 times half of the year, that's 16,848. And then the second half of the year, $20.25 an hour times 1,040. That's $21,060. So the first year you would be making $37,908. Granted that it's full time with no overtime. Second year you would be making $48,000. I'm not going to read all these numbers specifically. And then the third year you would be making $56,000. I don't know if I said that wrong. The third year, $56,000, and the last year of the apprenticeship, year 4, would be $65,000. So this is non-union, and this is just granted that you're working full 40-hour weeks, 52 weeks a year. So hopefully this helps you out, gives you an idea of how much money you can be making as a non-union apprentice. So obviously union numbers are going to be higher, but the scaling is different. They have a different set of scales, and who knows if you'll be working full-time, and we're not even guaranteed full-time or whatnot. It just depends on the company you work for and how much work they got. But anyways, this is just a theoretical number for full-time hours at non-union. So, and this is the school that I went to, so each state is probably different numbers. And so anyways, this just gives you an idea of how much money you can be making. So hopefully this helped you out. If it did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. If you guys got any more questions for videos, drop it down below in the comment section below. I will try to get to as many of them as I can. Just make sure that you say that you want it as a video or something like that, because oftentimes I get confused, and people leave me like video ideas, and I'll just answer it in a question. So I kind of want to use these as video ideas or whatnot. It'll help more people out than just one person. So that'd be nice if you just say, I want this as a video or a video idea. So that'd be great. All right, guys, thanks. See you tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I do live streams or upload videos. Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow. Peace.